Crash Course on Cayman Islands, UK. Welcome to a crash course on the Cayman Islands, a British overseas territory located in the Caribbean Sea. Join us as we explore its geographical location, capital city, population, economy, education system, brief history, cultural influences, and political structure. We'll also share some interesting stories and examples to excite you. Afterwards, we'll delve into the top 12 attractions that highlight the beauty and allure of this island paradise. Geographical location. The Cayman Islands is located in the western Caribbean Sea, approximately 240 kilometers, 150 miles, south of Cuba and 268 kilometers, 167 miles, northwest of Jamaica. It is part of the Greater Antilles and comprises three main islands: Grand Cayman, Cayman Brac, and Little Cayman. Capital. The capital and largest city of the Cayman Islands is Georgetown, located on the western coast of Grand Cayman. It serves as the main economic and administrative hub of the islands. Population. As of the latest estimates, the population of the Cayman Islands is approximately 70,000 people. The islands are known for their multicultural society, with residents hailing from various countries and backgrounds. Economy. The Cayman Islands has a prosperous economy driven primarily by offshore financial services, tourism, and real estate. It is renowned as one of the world's leading offshore financial centers, attracting global businesses and investors. Tourism plays a significant role, with visitors drawn to the pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life. Education. The Cayman Islands has a well-developed education system. It offers both public and private schools, as well as tertiary education institutions. The islands are also home to the University College of the Cayman Islands, providing higher education opportunities for local and international students. Brief history. The Cayman Islands were originally inhabited by the indigenous Caymanians. In 1503, Christopher Columbus was believed to have visited the islands during his fourth voyage. The islands remained relatively untouched until the 17th century, when British colonizers began to settle. Throughout its history, the Cayman Islands served as a strategic outpost and a haven for pirates. In the 20th century, the islands transitioned from an agricultural-based economy to a focus on financial services and tourism. Cultures and politics. The culture of the Cayman Islands is influenced by its diverse population, including Caymanians, expatriate residents, and international visitors. The islands embrace a mix of Caribbean, British, and other international traditions. The political structure of the Cayman Islands is a parliamentary democracy under British Overseas Territory status, with the governor as the representative of the British monarch and a locally elected legislative assembly. Top 12 attractions of the Cayman Islands. 1. 7 Mile Beach. This world-famous stretch of pristine white sand is known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters and is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. 2. Stingray City. Interact with friendly stingrays in the clear shallow waters of this unique sandbar, offering an unforgettable wildlife encounter. 3. Cayman Turtle Center. Explore this conservation facility, which focuses on the preservation and rehabilitation of sea turtles, providing educational experiences for visitors of all ages. 4. Rum Point. Relax at this idyllic beach on the northern coast of Grand Cayman, known for its calm waters, hammocks, and delicious local cuisine. 5. Pedro St. James Castle. Step back in time at this historic site, often referred to as the birthplace of democracy in the Cayman Islands, with its stunning architecture and panoramic views. 6. Queen Elizabeth II Botanic Park. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the Cayman Islands at this lush botanical garden, home to a variety of endemic and exotic plant species. 7. Hell. Visit this unique rock formation in West Bay, where jagged black limestone formations resemble the fiery depths of hell, creating a fascinating natural wonder. 8. Mastic Trail. Hike through the untouched wilderness of the Mastic Reserve and discover the island's diverse flora and fauna. 9. Cayman Islands National Museum. Learn about the history, culture, and natural heritage of the Cayman Islands through captivating exhibits and artifacts. 10. Cayman Crystal Caves. Explore the mystical underground caves adorned with stalactites and stalagmites, creating a surreal subterranean landscape. 11. Cayman Islands Brewery. Take a tour of the local brewery and taste the delicious craft beers brewed on site, including the famous Cayman Islands Lager. 12. Little Cayman and Cayman Brac. Visit these sister islands, known for their tranquility, stunning dive sites, and pristine natural beauty. In summary, the Cayman Islands, with its picturesque landscapes, thriving economy, rich history, and vibrant culture, offers an array of attractions for visitors to explore and enjoy. From pristine beaches and marine encounters to historical sites and natural wonders, this tropical paradise has something for everyone. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Booking.com referral link. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's celebrate the beauty and allure of the Cayman Islands with a poem. In the Cayman Islands, where turquoise waters gleam, a tropical paradise, a Caribbean dream. From 7 Mile Beach to Stingray City's embrace, nature's wonders adorn this enchanted place. Georgetown, the capital, a bustling hub of commerce and delight, where cultures merge and stories ignite. A history etched in Pedro St. James Castle's walls. A symbol of freedom, where democracy calls. 7 Mile Beach, a stretch of pristine shores, invites you to relax, where tranquility soars. Stingray City beckons, a dance with the rays. A moment of connection that forever stays. Cayman Turtle Center, a haven for the sea, preserving nature's wonders for all to see. Rum Point's allure, with hammocks swaying, savoring flavors and the sun's warm playing. Queen Elizabeth II Botanic Park blooms with grace. A botanical oasis, a serene embrace. In hell's dark beauty, limestone formations rise. A sight that sparks wonder and captivates eyes. Majestic crystal caves, a hidden treasure. Unveiling secrets, a subterranean pleasure. National Museum weaves stories untold. A tapestry of heritage, a history bold. Little Cayman and Cayman Brac, sister isles. Unveiling nature's splendor with radiant smiles. The Cayman Islands Brewery, a toast to delight. Crafting brews, a sip of pure island sprite. The Cayman Islands, where beauty thrives. A tapestry of cultures, where joy arrives. From azure waters to lush greenery. An island paradise, an enchanting journey. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Booking.com referral link. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.